Great. Okay. Hey, I think it's time to get to the mailbag. What do you guys think?
Let's go.
Mailbag.
All right. Where are we at? Boom. Bridget, if I short sale and I am not granted a waiver of deficiency, what are the time frames the bank has to come after me? We're looking at Frank for this, and he's looking down saying, I don't know what the heck this person's talking about.
A waiver of deficiency.
I don't even know what that is.
Well, I think I'm a little stumped here myself. There, a waiver of deficiency.
Okay, so it wasn't just me. I'm like looking at this. I'm like, I
That's
have
why you
no
stepped
idea.
back right off the bat.
I gotta go now.
Granted a waiver of deficiency.
It sounds like what it sounds.
It sounds like her time frame. Let me read the question.
When short sales were just starting to become popular in 2008. Well, the short sale agreement where the bank would agree to short sale, a lot of the boilerplate agreements had a clause in there that said that they could come after them for the deficiency. And a lot of times they would go back and negotiate and get that out.
There was
I guess it's statute of limitations.
But there were laws a couple of years ago, I want to say 2009, that came into place that you were able to...
Well, when she's saying deficiency, I guess the way I know it is it's the same thing, another word with a default. Basically, the money short of what she originally purchased and then sold. So, I mean, usually you want to get it signed off, and this is why it's so important to work with someone like the girls, Gina and Joanne. They really understand this process. You want to make sure that when you're signing off on that short sale, that what exactly is the bank signing off on? What are they forgiving you for? Are they forgiving you for anything?
Right.
Honestly, if you don't ask for something in this industry, you won't get it. You know, so you have to make sure that you're asking for forgiveness on any balances, forgiveness on any fees.
Because the bank's trying to protect themselves. They're trying to slip it in there and allow themselves to be able to come back and get a deficiency judgment to cover any of their losses.
But I guess as if she's saying, if you make sure that you're covered going in, that a part of the short sale and a part of the entire closure to this process is that in the end you owe or you don't owe. I mean, you got to really look closely at was it signed off? Was it signed off properly? That's why it's a very sensitive issue. Never try and do this on your own.
Actually, probably the most accurate answer is you're signing a contract or a document that you're agreeing to the terms of the short sale.
Those terms
so have
indicate.
an attorney review it. Because there's going to be a statute of limitations. Probably run it by an attorney, have them tell you what exactly this means. Can they come after me?
Yeah, and here's the thing, though. Why would you agree to anything if
you're not granted that?
If you're not granted the...
Do they officially grant those now, though?
Default.
Because I think now...
There's a law now that says if they accept anything... If they accept any payoff at all, then
that's it.
What was that, like 2009?
Yeah, nothing.
No, that was just last year. This was this year, I think.
Something came into...
It was earlier this year. It was one good thing that Brown did.
Yeah, that's the smart thing to do is don't move forward with someone on this. Then if you're not getting in writing that after this comes to closure, you're not going to come after me for that $150,000 balance.
Yeah, don't sign anything unless you know what it is.
I think she's just under the impression that you still have to have an official piece of paper that says you're not going to come after me, and now we all know that it's part of the process.
It should be It should be in the short sale package itself.
But you should.
Somewhere
it is a piece of paper.
Right. Yeah. But somewhere that should say
there should be language.
But actually, right now she's okay if you were to do it today.